my initial impressions 24 hours after installing the KINGRVER 18,000 BTU roof AC, purchased on Amazon. It was competitively priced. I ended up paying a little bit over $900 for it after taxes. The AC froze overnight. There was a marginal temperature difference while running it in conjunction with my Furrion 18,000 BTU chill cube unit. I woke up and the coils on this unit were frozen solid, and there's condensation around the entire ring. Already see the contours up there along the ceiling. The AC showed no discernible difference in power when switching it between low speed for the fan and turbo speed, with a medium and high speed as well in the middle. The unit does not appear to provide 18,000 BTUs of cooling, and it froze within less than 8 hours of turning it on. Overall, I don't recommend the KINGRVER 18,000 BTU roof unit for your RV. Because it will freeze, especially in high humidity environments. If you set the AC too low, like say 61 when it's 80 degrees outside, the unit will not cool to 61, and moisture in the air will condense on the freezing coils and freezing components in the AC, causing a sheet of ice to form that will completely obstruct any airflow that the unit produces. And this is right out of the box, straight from the factory, within 24 hours of setup. And yes, I checked to see if we set it up correctly or not. I think that the unit is poorly designed. I've never had any of these issues that I'm having with this unit with my Furrion Chill Cube 18,000 BTU cooling unit for RVAC, and I don't recommend this product. Do not discard your factory packaging or shipping materials if you purchase this unit, because you're very likely to be disappointed and looking to return it.